Hey, what is up guys? It's John from Magic Tech Review. How are you guys doing today? And in today's video we're going to go ahead and take a look at the Jren AdultPad J10 5G 10-inch 1080p Android 10 tablet here. It's saying that it's got 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of SSD storage. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at it. Thanks to Jren for sending me this tablet for review. This is basically what you get. Nice plain old white box. I already took the kind of wrapping off of it, and then this is what you get inside right here. Jren says happy, activate now, free, extend 3-month warranty, claim your free gift accordingly, register within 3 days after receiving a new product, register online now, thanks for your choice and trust. So I played around with it a little bit yesterday, not like too much. It does come with a nice screen protector on the front there. It is what was it, $120, $119, 10-inch tablet, obviously fingerprint, you know, can't really do much about that. It's got a 5 megapixel front camera and it's got a 13 megapixel rear camera. Let's go ahead and boot it up. I did see that it was a little bit snappy, so I don't know by today's standards. I mean, I don't really mess with tablets too much, but this is also what you get in the box there. You get a charging brick and a charging cable as well. And I know I haven't been on here much, guys. I do have a lot of products coming, so I should be getting up on here more. So there is the front screen right there, Jren. And like I said, I was testing it out yesterday, and it did seem kind of snappy. It does have 2 microphones, or not 2 microphones, I should say, 2 speaker grills on the bottom. Let's see here. Let me connect to the internet really quick. Alright. Let's just go through some stuff. Let's see, sound recorder, settings. Battery is 6,000. It is a USB Type-C charger as well. And I gotta say, the speaker's loud. That's not even on like full. That's like, look at that. So I could just imagine. Here we go. Oh my god. Let's see here. So there's the YouTube app. Obviously I haven't updated this thing at all, but we'll just go to F0, Big Blue. I like to So let's see if I can actually, let me sign in real quick. Give me a sec here. Alright, so I managed to get something up on here. Let's go ahead and check out how the games run on here. So obviously it's just one of those endless runner type games or whatever. Yeah. Uh-oh. So yeah, there you go. Really hard to play with watching through a viewfinder, but okay. Oh, so yeah, as you can see, pretty much runs pretty smoothly for 3 gigabytes and 32 gigabytes of storage. So here's the website. I'm going to link it down below in the description down below, and let me show you just some of its different things going on right here. Dimensions right there. You got your Android 10. It is a CortexTM 1.6 gigahertz octa-core 64-bit high processor speed, FHD IPS display, 10-inch of course, with the 1200 by 1920, 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigabytes of storage, 128 through thing, and it does have 4.5 and 5G, Bluetooth 5 on there, GPS. It's got a 6,000 milliamp battery. Those 2 speakers I told you about that are freaking loud as heck. It's got a 5 megapixel front camera and a 13 megapixel rear camera. Type-C port right there, and then it does have a headphone jack in the corner and a micro SD slot right there. So if you want to take a look right there, that's the USB Type-C port. And then it does have the micro SD right there, and it does have the thing right there. So yeah, overall, for 120 bucks, I mean, for a 10-inch display, I would say it's a good deal for what it's worth. Obviously, you're gonna have your camera right there, and I mean, I don't know who's taking pictures with a tablet, but I guess 13 megapixel camera in the back. So that's that right there. But anyways, guys, if you have any other further questions, let me know. And like I said, I do have some further products that I'm going to be reviewing on this channel. I'm going to be trying to make a little bit of a comeback. So thank you guys that are hanging in with me. I know it's been a long time that I haven't uploaded. So, but anyways, thank you all for joining, and go ahead and hit the like button if you did like the video, and go ahead and subscribe to become part of the MTR family, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.